Alright guys, MR.TwoSix checking back in. So today we're gonna do I'm gonna do an unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you the build of the infamous Leo from Gundam-Wing. So this suit is basically the cannon fodder for the all the Gundams in the Gundam-Wing series. So let's look at the box right here for a little bit. The box art's really nice. I really like what they did with the box art. So let's see what we got. So we have about two runners. Another two runners, and the manual. So this looks like a pretty simple kit. Let's open this up really quick. You actually can see what's in the bags. All right. So we have a small. Are these polycaps? Yeah. A small runner of polycaps. Nothing special there. Then we have a runner that has multiple colors. To be honest with you, the colors actually look really good. We have a black, gray, pretty much like all the other Gundam parts, the Gunpla parts. Red, and then the clear yellow for the eye, I guess you would call it. And then we have these parts here that are bronze. And then lastly, in the last bag, we have a runner for beam sabers, two beam sabers, and armor parts, which is like a moss green, or a moss green, or FDE green. So yeah, so I'm gonna get this put together really quick. We're gonna go over it. From what I've seen in other videos, I do like the design. It's part of the Gunpla evolution project, which is pretty cool. I think the other suits that are part of this project is the GBN guard frame, or not the guard frame. The Leo. There's another Leo that's in GBN or Build Divers. Or Build Fighters. And then you have the Maganak is also, you can tell, like, the frame itself is very similar to the Leo. So yeah, so I'll get this put together, and well, let's look at the manual really quick. So yeah, I mean, even the instructions look a little bit more basic. They definitely look easier. See, they even have, things sectioned off by A and B parts. So all in all, it's gonna be pretty cool. It'll be pretty nice to pose this against damn, I don't have any. Oh, I do have a tall geese. I have a real grade tall geese. So it'd be nice to do a pose with this against the tall geese, because I wanted to have something from the Gundam-Wing series. So I do have the real grade tall geese, so that will go good against the Leo. So yeah, so Start at the top. Head, you have no movement in the head whatsoever. There's no articulation. Does not move. Because the head actually sits inside the upper torso. In the shoulder part here, or neck part, the head sits inside. So you have that, and then this part of the head here obstructs any movement left to right. So you have nothing there. Alright, so that's one. Coming down to the arms. Right here. So straight down. Bada bing, bada boom. About 135 degree. And you see it's getting blocked right here at the inner part of the arm. So that's pretty good. On the shoulder, about 90 degrees straight. Again, pretty good movement. Torso, pretty good. Torso is pretty good. And then finally the legs. So straight down at the knee. It's pretty good. About another 135, 150 degree angle right there. And it could probably go more. So it's hitting the butt cheek right here, the Leo. The foot or the ankle is hitting the butt cheek. So, but pretty good articulation there. And then looking at can he do the Johnny Cage punch? Let's see. Oh, no, he can't. That's as far low as he goes. So all in all, I mean, pretty good articulation. No complaints. Pretty good. Posability is pretty good. Alright guys, so the Leo is done. This is by far one of the easiest kits to build. I did this within the span of 6 hours, and that might sound like a long time, but keep in mind, as I'm all the kits that I've done, as I'm putting them together, I'm doing the panel lining. I don't put it all together and then do panel lining. Whenever I put a leg piece on or arm piece, I try to panel line at that moment, so it takes me a little bit longer to put kits together. Like for example, the Barbatos took me, I don't know, 4 days. 4 days, so about, I'll say 12 hours. 10 to 12 hours to put together. This took me 5 to 6. So all in all, it was easy. Articulation is pretty good. I have no complaints. Details pretty good. The only thing is that, and I don't know if this is a byproduct of the Leo itself, but it's pretty small. I feel like it's smaller than, it's definitely smaller than the Gouf or the Guian. Alright guys, so for size comparison wise, I just wanted to show you how the Leo stacked up against the Gouf. And as you can see, it's a good amount shorter. I would say like 3/4 of an inch to an inch shorter than the Gouf. Let me see if I can get these standing back to back here. Yeah, and you can see there, I mean, it's pretty noticeable. Pretty noticeable. So, but all in all, it's a good kit. I really enjoyed doing, you know, all the little panel lining and the and all the little details, like painting all the gray parts silver. I guess you can call it the mono eye. I gave it like a mascara look, so I painted the inside part of that black. So, and the part, let me see if I could get it here. And the part, there you go. So I painted that inside part black, and then behind where the clear yellow goes for the eye, I actually painted that silver so it would reflect more light. And I think the overall effect looks pretty good. I think it adds more depth. And again, those are like just the little things that I do. You know, so, but yeah. So anyways, I highly recommend anybody do this build, anyone and everyone, because it's simple, it's quick, it's cheap, that's for sure. I think, how much are these? I think these are going between like $17 or $20. I don't remember right now. But overall, great kit. Has a lot of range of movement. And yeah, I have no complaints. It stays true to Gundam-Wing. And all in all, this was an enjoyable build. And I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did, because it really was a treat to put together. The only thing that's easier to build this is a Haro. So so yeah, so that's it for the Leo. Please like and subscribe over here, or over here, one of these areas over here. Like and subscribe. Give me feedback on the content so I could get better at providing you guys with better content. So so yeah, so until next time, peace.